Hi folks, a little bit of an update for you, a little bit of a vlog type video this one. Now, I've not been very present on the channel, not very active over the last couple of months. I'm a bit better now in the last couple of weeks, but yeah, there's a reason my motivation took a hit, and that's because I've had an accident on my R1250R and I've written it off. It's an uneconomical repair, so I won't be seeing it again, and I am pretty gutted. What happened was I was slowing down for a roundabout in not too far from home on one fair Saturday morning, and I lost the front on some gravel. Didn't see it, didn't notice, and I was on the ground before I knew it. The lean sensitive ABS and whatnot didn't have a chance to save me. So yeah, hit the ground at about 40-ish, and the bike slid. Didn't barrel roll, but touched the cylinders down on both sides while it crashed. Now, I had the Machine Art Moto cylinder head covers fitted on the bike, but they're not really designed to manage a higher speed spill. They're more effective like car park speeds or stationary zero speeds. So yeah, one of the cylinder head covers took a hell of a beating, cracked. By the time the bike had stopped crashing, there was oil everywhere. So I had to get the bike recovered home. Yeah, and it's been inspected, and it's going to cost too much to repair. So yeah, that's that chapter suddenly over with. Now, I'm not in a rush to replace that bike with a new bike because basically winter's coming, and if you get a new bike now, it'll spend most of its first 3 or 4 months, 4 or 5 months in this country, probably sat in the shed while the warranty counts down and you're not doing very many miles at all. So I think I'll wait till spring before I start looking at a bigger bike in earnest. But in the meantime, I've had another fault. Now, I enjoy riding the Kawasaki right there, but I've got to admit the engine is on the bland side. It's not very exciting to ride, but the bike is a very enjoyable bike to own. Now, in fact, I just did 270 miles yesterday riding to North Wales and back. But I think now that I've lost the BMW, I'm looking to put a bit of excitement back into my life and cheer myself up. But I want to do it on a relative budget. I don't want to spend, like I say, lots of money right now on a big bike. So I'm about to put a deposit down on a KTM 390 Adventure, a new one. So yeah, just trying to decide which shop to go for. What offers they can do me, and yeah, I think you'll be seeing a KTM 390 Adventure on the channel pretty soon. So if you have an interest in one of those, let me know. If you like big BMWs, then I'm afraid yeah, with my R1250 gone, there might not be that much content coming up in the near future, although I do hope to ride the BMW R1250 R1300 GS sometime before the end of the year, so keep an eye out for that one. But yeah, that's it for now. No R1250R anymore. KTM 390 Adventure possibly on its way, and a 1300 GS first ride coming up probably in November time. Right, I shall see you in another video soon, folks. I will start putting the content back up. I've still got a couple of review videos, bike review videos, including a Yamaha R1 and an S1000RR to edit and upload to you guys. So until then, I shall see you soon. Take care. Ta-da.